Reciprocal House by Gianni Botsford Architects is a thoughtful reinterpretation of a house in London's Hampstead area. The project replaced a small 1860s cottage with a more contemporary design, while respecting and preserving the historical essence of the location. Taking inspiration from Foster Associates' 1969 extension, the house combines industrial elements such as steel structures, exposed concrete, and aluminium framed glass to create a strong and modern aesthetic. The interior is designed as a flexible and functional space, where the transition between private and social zones occurs naturally. The living room and kitchen are integrated in an open flow, allowing for greater interaction for residents. Meanwhile, the bedrooms and other private areas are designed with a more intimate feel, creating a varied and dynamic spatial experience. Amidst a dense urban landscape, Reciprocal House presents itself as a residence that is open to light and space, reflecting a design philosophy that focuses on the experience of its residents. Large windows and skylights are strategically placed to maximize natural light, creating a bright and dynamic interior atmosphere throughout the day. In addition, the chimney ventilation effect ensures optimal airflow, providing thermal comfort without relying on artificial cooling systems. Materiality plays an important role in shaping the character of this house. With a simple yet thoughtful material palette, each element is designed to have a close visual and functional relationship. Construction steel becomes the backbone of the structure, supporting a large span of space without many partitions. Exposed concrete provides solidity and durability, while the lightweight steel roof presents a modern impression with a structure that is more efficient and lighter than conventional roofs. The facade of this house is also carefully designed to accommodate the need for privacy while maintaining a relationship with the surrounding environment. Perforated aluminum panels form a protective layer that filters sunlight and reduces glare, while still allowing soft light to enter the room. This layer also functions as a visual filter, creating a smooth boundary between the interior and exterior without completely closing the residence from the outside world. More than just a residential structure, the reciprocal house is an exploration of how architecture can respond to its surrounding context with full awareness. By taking into account the orientation, surrounding vegetation, and urban landscape, this house becomes part of its environment, rather than just a standalone object. This approach reflects the principles of sustainable design that are increasingly important in today's architecture. Sustainability is a fundamental aspect of the design of this house, not only through passive strategies such as natural lighting and ventilation, but also through the selection of durable and efficient materials. The use of concrete and steel construction ensures long-term durability, while the lightweight steel roof design strategy helps reduce structural loads without sacrificing the quality of the space. Reciprocal House is proof that architecture can be more than just form and function. It is a reflection of the dialogue between past and present, between openness and privacy, and between technology and sustainability. With a holistic approach, this house inspires us to rethink how housing can be designed to remain relevant to the needs of the times without losing connection with the historical context and its surrounding nature.